Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to do a walk around and test drive on a gorgeous 1966 Fairlane 500 XL convertible. This is a beautiful car with gorgeous paint, nice interior, super solid original undercarriage. Very nicely restored car.
It is nice, and the biggest thing with these Fairlanes are usually the underneath are not solid original, like this one.
Yeah, I was really impressed when I looked at the floors and frame and stuff on this underneath. And make sure you check them out for yourself on our site, coyoteclassics.com. I felt it was real nice and solid and original underneath. Clean under the hood too.
It's got some nice options, just your stock radiator, but a nice 289 with a 4-barrel power steering, power brakes, and does have the disc brakes in the front. You can tell they did a nice job on the paint, the bottom of the hood, inner fenders, all that stuff are super nice and crisp as well. Just a car you can jump in and cruise, and it really runs and drives great.
Yeah, it does. Even like hood latches, the chrome, all that stuff you can tell seems to be replaced when they did the restoration. The front bumper's in beautiful shape. It's got a great shine on it.
It really does. They definitely rechromed the bumpers. A lot of the other stainless could be original, but for original, it's just got some little tiny little Mars in it. Not bad at all. If you look out across the hood, the paint's great there.
Yeah, beautiful paint. It's got a great shine.
Some wheel well trim. We were just talking earlier. Some wheel well trim would really look good on it too.
Yes, it would. Wheel well trim would look great. Just a little chrome.
Really nice gap from top to bottom. It looks like there's a tiny little buffing compound or a little tiny little chip right there. But the doors fit great to the front of the fender, and they fit awesome in the back too.
The paint's beautiful, even all the way down here along the rocker. This almost still looks like just wet, you know. It's got that great shine.
Very nice. And I like the hubcaps and the white walls. I mean, it's just very period correct.
Yeah. Power top works good. I have pictures of the power top up on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Back taillights look like they're original. They look good, but if you look up close, you can just kind of tell the chrome around them just shows a little
I noticed
patina.
that around that, and then also your Fairlane chrome here was original as well.
Back bumper's replaced though.
Yep. Top of the trunk lid looks great. Go ahead and open that, then open your door. Let's go ahead and start in the trunk here. When they did it, they did a beautiful job jamming like the inside of the trunk, around here, the bottom trunk lid, but they left this original paint, which I really like. Look at that.
Nice.
It's all the original paint there. It just kind of tells you what kind of a survivor it was before they cosmetically restored it. I mean, this tells you a lot about it too. Those are original door handles, you can see, because you can see tiny little pits on them. But look how nice they still are.
They look great.
Corner of the door is absolutely rust-free here. Rubbers are nice.
Excellent door jamb paint.
Again, not a trailer queen or an absolute show winner, but a nice car with a nice paint job and really solid.
Seats are very nice, and they sit perfectly flush and even too. You know, they're not all broke down. Seats look great. Carpet's nice. Back seat. Looks like seats were definitely recovered. They look awesome.
I kind of thought, Dalton, the door panels are original to see how nice they are, but just a little tiny bit of wrinkle into them, and they're just all original.
Yeah, but seats, gorgeous console.
And so is the bezel. The bezel's all original too, so you can see that's just a little yellowed.
Mm-hmm.
No one restored that.
Inside corner of the doors is...
Dash pad looks great.
Power top works well. I just had that up and down when I did the pictures.
The paint imperfection, right? I don't know, it's hard to see. In the right light, maybe?
Just a little
maybe it was like a little paint run that they wet sanded and buffed out.
That they buffed out.
Yeah.
It's very, I mean, never seen it until you get like a certain angle.
It's tough.
Yeah. You could walk by the car probably a million times and never see it, but.
I just seen it at the right angle.
Yeah. Driver's side, really nice and straight. Door fits excellent. Back quarters, beautiful, no bubbles or issues. Super solid old Ford.
Yeah, that's the main thing about it. I think it's just a turnkey solid car. It looks good.
There's a little like paint blem or kind of touch up or something there. Rocker's excellent. Yeah, you said a lot of these cars are just kind of rusty. And this one, excellent
Look at the
paint.
hood gap here.
Excellent
you
chrome.
just can't get it any better than that. From the top of the fender to the back of the hood, front of the hood, all lines up beautifully.
Yeah, it's a really nice car.
All right, here's your factory door tag right here. There's factory color T for paint, which matches up perfectly to red. 23K, B3 is trim. Again, perfect. Corner of the door, never had any issues. Door panels, like I say, are good. I wouldn't replace them. They're original, but like you said, they just have a few little wrinkles in. They all fit tight and everything. Your armrests and your base and your pad all look fine. This one, just like a lot of other ones, we're going to go ahead and take this for your video today. But when we were doing our product prep, we just realized, we couldn't get it into third properly. So we decided, we made an appointment with Amco Transmissions. The transmission will be completely rebuilt. So after this video, we're going to pull the transmission and get it done. So we're still going to be able to drive it today, and it's got lower or highway gears, so we'll be able to take it perfectly down the road, 60, 70. We just won't have third gear. Gas gauge works perfect. Riley got the horn fixed for us. That's awesome. Wipers work great. We did go through all the brakes on this one as well, just like all the cars. So we went through the brakes, disc in the front, drum in the rear. Temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, and the Sun Pro volt gauge works. So all of those work properly. Looks like our radio kind of clicks like it wanted to work, but I don't think that's going to work for us.
Heater fan works.
Yep, heater fan works great.
Talk about this piece here.
Yeah, so this chrome, whoever buys it probably will want to get this Rechromed. This part up here is just, it's had a lot of like condensation.
It's like the worst part about the entire car is just
that chrome
little
piece.
chrome piece that just screws
Or
in.
a guy could, if you don't want to get it Rechromed, you could definitely paint it black.
Yeah.
I mean, it shifts great into first and second, and the brakes are awesome. I just know that if we send this out next week to get the transmission rebuilt, somebody's going to want to buy it and they're going to want a video. So this is why we're doing it a little bit ahead of time. But
yeah.
Runs and drives awesome. Speedometer works great.
See,
there's your third, guys. As far as going down the road, 60, 65 mile an hour, goes nice and straight down the road.
The engine runs beautifully as well.
Yeah, it does. It runs great. We're going to go ahead and do a high-speed braking on it. Going behind it. There's your brakes, no pull left to right. Great pedal, great power booster with the disc. Temperature's running about 180. Oil pressure for this little 289 is still at 45. So great oil pressure when it's all warmed up for a Ford. Seems to ride really good as far as our shocks and just suspension. All feels good, don't it?
Yeah, it does. Real good car. As far as like paint, chrome, quality, this is up there. It's a nice car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.